Welcome back to my channel. Most important 7 marks questions for IPE type 3 concyclic method. Now first one, show that the points, show that the 4 points 1 comma 1 minus 6 comma 0 minus 2 comma 2 minus 2 comma minus 8 are concyclic and find the equation of the circle. Okay, solution. Let S H comma K be a center, R be a radius of the circle. Let A 1 comma 1, B minus 6 comma 0, C minus 2 comma 2, D minus 8 comma minus 2 comma minus 8. S, A, B and C. SA is equal to SB is equal to SC, that is R, which implies SA square is equal to SB square is equal to SC square is equal to R square. SA square is equal to SB square. SA means distance between S and A, SB means distance between S and B. Okay, H minus 1 whole square plus K minus 1 whole square is equal to H minus into minus plus H plus 6 whole square plus H plus 6 whole square plus K minus 0 whole square, which expanding this equation, x square plus 1 minus 2h K square plus 1 minus 2k is equal to H square plus 36 plus 12h plus K square. H square, K square can be cancelled. Minus 2h plus 12, best taking this side, minus 12h minus 2k, 1 plus 1, 2, my plus 36 taking this side, minus 36 equal to 0, which implies minus 14h minus 2k minus 34 equal to 0. Here minus 2 is common, 7h plus k plus 17 is equal to 0. That implies 7h plus k plus 17 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. SA square is equal to SC square. SA square is H minus 1 whole square plus K minus 1 whole square. SC, H minus into minus plus H plus 2 whole square plus K minus 2 whole square. That implies, expanding this equation, H square plus 1 minus 2H, K square plus 1 minus 2K is equal to H square plus 4 plus 4H, K square plus 4 minus 4K. H square, K square can be cancelled. 4H minus 2H taking this side plus 2H minus 4K minus 2K taking this side plus 2K. 4 plus 4, 8. 1 plus 1 taking this side minus 2 equal to 0, which implies 6H minus 2K plus 6 equal to 0. Here 2 is common, 3H minus K plus 3 equal to 0. That implies 3H minus K plus 3 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Solving equation number 1 and 2, we get HK1. Okay, in the first equation, coefficient of K is 1. In second equation, coefficient of k is -1. In first equation, constant term is 17. In second equation, constant term is 3. In first equation, coefficient of h is 7. In second equation, coefficient of h is 3. Again taking 1 comma -1. H by 3, 1 into 3, 3 minus 1 into 7, minus 1 into 17, minus 17, minus into minus plus 17 is equal to k by 17 3s are 51 minus 7 3s are 21. 1 by 1 into minus 1, minus 1 into 7, minus 7, minus 3 into 1, minus 3. Okay, h by 20 is equal to k by 30 is equal to 1 by minus 10. 0, 0, 0 can be cancelled, which implies h by 2 is equal to 1 by minus 1. That implies h is equal to minus 2, which implies k by 3 is equal to 1 by minus 1. That is equal to k is equal to minus 3. Okay, center S h comma k is equal to minus 2 comma minus 3. If you want radius, SA square is equal to R square. SA square is h minus 1 whole square plus k minus 1 whole square is equal to R square. H comma k value substitute in this equation. Minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus minus 3 minus 1 whole square is equal to R square. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Minus 3 whole square is 9. Plus minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 whole square is 16. Which that is equal to R square, which implies R square is equal to 25. That implies R is equal to 5. Center is minus 2 comma minus 3. Radius is 5. Okay. H comma KBA, center, and RBA, radius of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to R square. H comma k value and R square value substitute in this equation. H x minus h value is minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 whole square plus y plus minus into minus plus 3 whole square is equal to 25. That implies x square plus 4 plus 4x, y square plus 9 plus 6y is equal to 25. That implies x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 13 minus 25 equal to 0, which implies x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. This is equation number 3. Into D, minus 2 comma minus 8, substitute in equation number 3. Okay, 3 implies x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. X value minus 2, y value minus 8. Substitute in this equation. Minus 2 whole square plus minus 8 whole square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 6 into minus 8 minus 12 equal to 0. That implies 4 plus 64 plus minus 8 minus 48 minus 12 equal to 0. That implies 68 minus 68 equal to 0. Therefore, given given points are concyclic and the equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. This is required equation of the circle. Enough. Now another question. Show that the 4 points 1 comma 2 3 comma minus 4, 5 comma minus 6, 19 comma 8 are concyclic, and find the equation of the circle. Solve this problem by using this method on your own. Post your answer in the comment section. Now next question. If 2 comma 0, 0 comma 1, 4 comma 5 and 0 comma c are concyclic and find the value of c. Now solution. Let a center be S h comma k and R be a radius of the circle. Let a 2 comma 0, b 0 comma 1, c 4 comma 5, d 0 comma c. A, B, C. Okay. SA is equal to SB is equal to SC is equal to R. That implies SA square is equal to SB square is equal to SC square is equal to R square. SA square is equal to SB square. SA means distance between S and A. SB means distance between S and B. SA square h minus 2 whole square plus k minus 0 whole square is equal h minus 0 whole square plus k minus 1 whole square. That implies h square plus 4 minus 4h plus k square is equal to h square plus k square plus 1 minus 2k. Square h square can be cancelled, k square also cancelled. Implies minus 4h taking RHS side, 4h minus 2k plus 1 plus 4 taking RHS side, minus 4 equal to 0. That implies 4h minus 2k minus 3 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. SA square is equal to SC square. SA square is h minus 2 whole square plus k minus 0 whole square is equal to SC square h minus 4 whole square plus k minus 5 whole square. That implies h square plus 4 minus 4h plus k square. Here h square plus 16 minus 8h. Expanding this, k square plus 25 minus 10k. K square h square h square can be cancelled. These two terms taking RHS side, minus 8h plus 4h minus 10k, 25 plus 16 41 minus 4 equal to 0. This implies minus 4h minus 10k, 41 minus 4 plus 37 is equal to 0. Multiplying with minus, 4h plus 10k minus 37 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Solving equation number 1 and 2, we get h k 1. Coefficient of k in equation number 1 minus 2, in equation number 2 10. Constant terms in equation number 1 minus 3, in equation number 2 minus 37. Coefficient of h in equation number 1 4, here also equation number 2 also 4, minus 2 minus 10. H by 37 2s are 74, minus into minus plus 74 minus 10 into minus 3 minus 30, minus into minus plus 30 is equal to k by minus 12 plus 37 4s are 148 plus 148 k by 40 plus 8, 4 into 10 40, 4 into minus 2 minus 8, minus into minus plus 8, which implies h by 104 k by 148 minus 12 136 1 by 48. H by 104 is equal to 1 by 48. H is equal to 104 by 48. 8 13s are 104, 8 6 are 48. H is equal to 13 by 6. K is equal to 136 by 48. Okay, that value is 8 17s are 8 6 are. Okay, K is equal to 17 by 6. Center H comma K is equal to 13 by 6 comma 17 by 6. And radius. So SA square is equal to R square. SA square is H minus 2 whole square plus K minus 0 whole square is equal to R square. H comma K value substitute in this equation. H value is 13 by 6 minus 2 whole square plus K value is 17 by 6 whole square is equal to R square. That implies here LCM is 6, 13 minus 12 whole square plus 17 by 6 whole square is equal to R square. 13 minus 12 is 1. 1 by 6 whole square is 1 by 36 plus 17 square is 289. 6 square is 36 is equal to R square. That implies 290 by 36 is equal to R square. That implies R is equal to root 290 by 6. Okay, R value is root 290 by 6. H center is center 13 by 6 comma 17 by 6. This is H comma K. Okay, the equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to R square. X minus 13 by 6 whole square plus y minus 17 by 6 whole square is equal to 290 by 36. That implies this is a minus b whole square, here also a minus b whole square. X square plus 169 by 36 minus 2ab plus y square plus 289 by 36 minus 2ab is equal to 290 by 36. That implies x square minus 13x by 3 minus 17y by 3 is equal to 290 by 36 minus 289 by 36 minus 169 by 36. That implies x square plus y square here. X square plus y square, here LCM is 3. 3x square plus 3y square minus 13x minus 17y is equal. Here LCM is 36. 290 minus 289 minus 169. That implies here 12. Okay, 3x square plus 3y square minus 13x minus 17y is equal to 290 1 minus 290 minus 289 is 1. 1 minus, sorry, 290 minus 458 by 12. That implies 3x square plus 3y square minus 13x minus 17y is equal minus 168 by 12. 12 14s are 168. That implies 3x square plus 3y square minus 13x minus 17y is equal to minus 14. That implies 3x square plus 3y square minus 13x minus 17y plus 17y plus 14 equal to 0 is a required equation of the circle. This equation number 3. D 0 comma C, substitute in equation number 3. That implies 3 implies 3 into 0 plus 3c square minus 13 into 0 minus 17c plus 14 equal to 0. That implies 3c square minus 17c plus 14 equal to 0. That implies 3c square minus 3c minus 14c plus 14 equal to 0. 3c is common here, c minus 1. Minus 14 is common, c minus 1 equal to 0. Here c minus 1 common, 3c minus 14 equal to 0. That implies c minus 1 is equal to 0, 3c minus 14 equal to 0. C is equal to 1, 3c is equal to 14, c is equal to 14 by 3. Therefore, c is equal to 1 or 14 by 3. That's enough. The abscissa of points A comma B are the roots of the equation x square plus 2ax minus b square equal to 0 and ordinates of a comma b are roots of y square plus 2py minus q square equal to 0. Then find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle for which AB bar is a diameter. Now solution. Let A x1 y1 b x2 y2. By the problem, x1 comma x2 are the roots of x square plus 2ax minus b square equal to 0. Then sum of roots x1 plus x2 is equal to minus 2a by 1, minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, that is minus 2a. Product of roots x1 x2 is equal to constant term by coefficient of x square minus b square by 1, that is minus b square. y1 comma y2 are the roots of y square plus 2py minus q square equal to 0. Then y1 plus y2, sum of roots is equal to minus 2p by 1, that is minus 2p. Product of roots y1 y2 is equal to constant term by coefficient of y square, minus q square by 1 minus q square. A x1 y1, b x2 y2 are diameter endpoints of the circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. That implies x square, x into x, x square, x into minus x2 minus x x2 minus x1 into x2 x minus x1 x2 x1 x minus into minus plus x1 x2. Again x into x, x square, x into x minus x2 minus x x2 minus x1 into x minus x1 x minus into minus plus x1 into x x2 x1 x2. Similarly in y1 square minus y2 y1 into y minus y1 y minus into minus plus y1 y2 equal to 0 implies x square. In these two terms minus x common, x2 plus x1 plus x1 x2 y square. Here minus y common, y2 plus y1 plus y1 y2 equal to 0. Here sum of roots x1 plus x2 value, x1 x2 value. Here y1 plus y2 value, y1 y2 value, substitute in this equation. X square minus x minus 2a plus x1 x2 value is minus b square, y square minus y into minus 2p, y1 plus y2 value is minus 2p plus y1 y2 value is minus q square is equal to 0. That implies x square plus y square minus into minus plus 2ax minus into minus plus 2py minus b square minus q square equal to 0. That implies x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2py minus half b square plus q square is equal to 0 is a required equation of the circle. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.